Okay, today I'm taking a look at Wirarpa men's mesh boxer briefs. Wow, so these feel a whole lot more silky than the typical cotton underwear that I'm used to. So that feels really nice. Yeah, and you can tell they just kind of flow a little bit more than most underwear too. Like it feels accommodating, which is great. Okay, yeah, I can tell already I'm going to really like these things. So these do have a pocket. And if you look up close, you can kind of see this mesh that's in here. So this is super breathable. But really the thing about it is it just kind of feels like a heavy flowy blanket. Oh, it's super stretchy too. So that's awesome. And we've got stretchy elastic bands on the top. And believe it or not, I've actually used some high-end underwear recently that didn't have that, and they kept falling down as I was walking around. So that wasn't great. These have it, but they also have 3 sets of stitches right here. So these things are designed to last. And even along the seams, you can see this has really nice stitching all the way down. So that is great. And this is the 2X, and you can see that it does have a 2.5-inch inseam. So if you have problems with chafing, that can really help with that. And yeah, I think this is really nice underwear. Very happy to have it.